In this lecture, we'll be talking about CDN. You can call it Content Distribution Network, you can call it Content Delivery Network. Both terms are same and their work are same. Before that, I want to tell you one important thing. CDN help us to make our website secure. So if there is any bot visitor, if there is high traffic, if there is fake traffic, CDN detect them all. So let us compare two scenarios, one without CDN and the other one is with CDN. In without CDN, if three visitors are there online, suppose one is from India, second one is from Japan and third one is from UK. Each request will hit your server. So if your server is in USA, suppose US, each request by every geological location will hit US. So if someone asks for a particular page in India, the request will be sent to your server on US and response will be from there itself. So this process is actually time consuming. It will take few extra milliseconds. I'm not saying it will take minutes or some extra thing, but it will take few extra milliseconds. Same will happen with the case of Japan and same will happen with the case of UK. So what CDN do is, it acts as a medium between them. Once we add a CDN, what will happen is, if I send a request to my server from India, it will get that particular page from the nearest delivery network. So this can be from Mumbai, this can be from Delhi, and then they will send a response. So this will reduce the timing. This will also a medium between my web server as well as the user. So it will also act as a safety medium. So same follows for Japanese. So they have sent the request and they will get a response from Tokyo itself instead of going to US. That's how they will exchange the traffic. So if I take an example from Cloudflare, so suppose my server is in Dallas and I am from India. For each request I need to send till Dallas, get a response to India. Now I have a server of Cloudflare in Delhi itself as well as Mumbai. So what CDN, that is Cloudflare, will do is, instead of sending requests to US, they will send requests to Mumbai or Delhi server. So that will decrease the timing, and this is one great source to utilize free Cloudflare at this point of time. So I hope now you understand CDN in an easier way. It just helps you to distribute the data into multiple servers. So if someone is asking your data from UK, they will just move to their nearest data location. Someone asks from India, they will just go to their nearest data location. Same follows with every country. So even if your main server is in US, CDN help you to distribute data into multiple small servers that they created. That is Cloudflare in our case. So we'll be trying to use a free Cloudflare account. Just go on sign up. You will be redirected to sign up page and just fill your email, add password and then create account. Now once you create an account, they will ask for a website. So what I need to do is copy my website link and paste here. This process might take few minutes or few seconds according to your website load. So it will just cache your website for once and get all the settings. Now they will give you some DNS record to set up on your website. For a while, just click on next. You will now have option to select which account you want. By default, they have selected a paid plan. Just select for a free plan for now and then confirm. Free account have only one website allowed. They will show you some of your website settings. You just need to go down and click on continue. Here they will give you two things, that is your current DNS and you need to change them to this particular Cloudflare DNS. Just visit to your host where you have your domain and you need to change the name server. So you need to copy Cloudflare name server and change it to your name server. Just copy this. Just click on name server and edit your old server with the new server that is provided by Cloudflare. And done. This process was as simple as that. Now this can take up to 24 to 48 hours to refresh your name server. You can come to Cloudflare website and click on recheck after every 1 hour. So this can take few minutes as well as few hours. So I will pause the video and will continue once I have a green signal here, since this might take some time. So once your Cloudflare is active, you will be seeing a green signal like this. If you scroll down, you will have few settings, that is about your security level, your SSL, your caching level, and your development mode. You will be also seeing your plan. So this is for about the overview. Once you click on analytics, this will tell you about the bandwidth, request, visitors, or about the threat that your website is facing. And this will get the data of every 24 hours. So since I just applied the Cloudflare and it took approx 1 hour for Cloudflare to activate on my website. Last time it took only 10 minutes for other website. It totally depends and it can stretch to 24 hours. Next thing is DNS, where you will have all the information about your IP. So if you change your hosting or something like that, you need to change your IP here. Next thing is your crypto, that includes all the security thing. Cloudflare provides free SSL certificate and it almost took 1 hour to get SSL activated. So one important thing, I was getting an error regarding SSL. SSL takes approx 24 hours to activate on Cloudflare. So I checked the error, and if you have a paid account, that will take 10 minutes, and for free account it can take up to 24 hours. But it almost 1 hour and everything is working fine. You might face something like this, so just give Cloudflare some time and that will be solved. Other tabs regarding speed, firewall and all other things. Just an important information, if you are using a WordPress plugin for caching, then no issue. If you are not on WordPress, you can just auto minify your website, that is your JavaScript, your CSS and HTML in one click. You just need to select these options. Here are other advanced option, caching, worker, page rules and all other things. I will not recommend you to edit them if you don't know about them. Read about them, search about them and then edit them. Now just switch to our website and move to admin panel. Now we need to install one plugin named Cloudflare. Just go to plugin, add new, search for Cloudflare. And here you will be seeing an option for Cloudflare. Install this particular plugin, click on activate. Now one more step, visit that particular Cloudflare. You will have an option to log in your Cloudflare. Once you are logged in, you will be having some particular options. Don't edit anything, just click on apply. This will just make better optimization for your website on Cloudflare. So this is a particular plugin by Cloudflare team specifically for WordPress. So you can utilize it. If you know that your website is under attack, you can click on I am under attack. This will help Cloudflare to increase the security of your website. You can check analytics. You can see speed mode and other things. Like if you click on always online option, so even if you are offline, Cloudflare from their server will send static files, that is simple HTML CSS file for your website. There is image optimization option, development mode and all other things that is directly available for your WordPress plugin.